I'll go into customer lifetime value. Now we use a cohort methodology, right? And this is really, really powerful again around people who maybe sell a lot of save and subscribe products, have a lot of repeat purchases, and it's really trying to understand where are we getting the repeat purchases and how do we leverage more? Because at the end of the day, that can go into ad spend. Like, where are we putting our money? Are we putting our money in the right products in the right areas? And using
Hmm.
these types of tooling and using these aspects in the tool will allow you to kind of uncover that. Now, like I said, sometimes the data is a little bit gappy, right? Because it's a demo account, and this is why we try and give our tell our customers to connect their own accounts, right? So let's move into a repeat purchases. So in this example, we can see the date, the first purchase, the sale date, how many would have been repeat purchases. Looks like we didn't have any, the new customers, the lifetime value, so on and so forth.
So
And
it
now
would
where do
look, sorry to cut you. It would appear in the repeat if they like say they bought and oh, so sales means the sales for the current day, repeat means on that specific day where there were repeat purchases from previous
correct,
buyers. Uh-huh, okay.
correct, correct, correct.
Hmm. And this can go for all the now we're Amazon USA, but then again if we're eBay Germany, also similar dashboard for or
I would
some. Mhm.
I would have to check, it's because we are only available like what the data brings in. So we connect as much as possible, but there are some very small there are a couple of channels who will have like a different layout to what we see on the side here.
All right. Mhm.
Yeah, but we bring in as much as we can.
Mm.
We can have a little look at an eBay example in a minute.
But I would say also for those who are listening, let's say, because there's so many, you said only over 160 you guys supported Merchant Spring. But then if sellers like, well, maybe mine is number 84, right? So I would say that you can just reach out to the support as well, just generally, just drop a message and, within probably a few hours or 24 hours or whatever it is, like, uh, they'll get a answer. So that's also sometimes a good idea, just in case if we didn't cover something in this video. Comments, of course, that we also appreciate. We will answer, but also the support can always give some answers. And I love messaging supports as well from different kind of tools I work with because they can help too.
And look, I'll show you how to look at a tool once you get into how
Hmm.
to look if we service that channel and we go into this a little
Nice,
deeper.
nice.
But we also have resources online which will
Hmm.
show you, what areas we cover across the globe, right? And it's split down into like your kind of global channels, your
Mm.
South America, Oceania, Australia, Europe, America. So we have a lot of that covered as well.